Folders and files that are deleted in Basil are stored in the Deleted Items menu for 30 days after the deletion date. The folder or file can be retrieved at any time inside this 30-day window, but after that, the files are permanently deleted and will be unrecoverable. To restore a deleted file, first navigate to the folder where the item was residing, such as an external folder of a client's workspace. Click the Actions menu towards the top right and select Deleted Items. A pop-up menu showing you all the folders and files that have recently been deleted from this location will be displayed, along with which user deleted each one. Check the box next to the item you wish to restore, then press the Restore button and click Yes to confirm. Please note, restoring a deleted folder will not automatically restore its contents. You have to click into the restored folder and follow this process again to individually restore any additional folders or files that were stored inside the restored folder.